Today we'll be touring around this 8.5 million bungalow in Santa Rosa, Laguna. If you have been looking for a bungalow house and lot in Santa Rosa or in Laguna that's accessible going to Makati, BGC, well, this might be the one for you. Hi guys, I'm Arman Cruz and let's begin this house tour. This house sits in a lot area of 153 square meters with a floor area of 107 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and a carport that can fit your 2 big size SUVs. I'm really excited to show you this one. Let's begin with the external tour of the property. As you can see, ito pong frontage natin. It's already paved. Meron na po siyang semento. So, sobrang ganda niya, sobrang linis tignan. Wala masyadong mga car arte or kadumi, but still nagilagay siya ng planter's box which adds up dun sa feeling of warmth and yung feeling na homey pa rin po siya. And one thing I really like about this property is also the design of the wall. Ang ganda po ng design niya, even though na semento lang siya or regular hollow blocks, nilagyan po ng lining, nilagyan po ng tiles, so it makes it very welcoming and napakaganda po ng feeling pagpasok natin. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob ng bahay. So as we enter the pedestrian gate, pagpasok po natin, we'll be welcomed by our patio. This is your entrance. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng tables and chairs dito. So, naka-tiles na po siya, which makes it very easy to maintain. Hindi na kayo masyado magdadamo, hindi na kayo masyado magdidilig. And ang maganda po dyan, is still, para po dun sa mga mahilig magtanim, meron pa rin tayong space wherein you can put your plants. Katulad po nito, naglagay po yung owner po natin ng bamboo plants, which also, napakaganda po niyan pag tumaas na po siya. Now, right beside our patio is our huge 2-carport garage, or 2-car carport. So, napakaluwag po niya, napakahaba niya. In fact, siguro kung meron kayong malilit na sasakyan, baka 3 maliit na sasakyan na kasya dito, or 2 huge size SUVs, kasyang-kasya po siya. It's a good fit for you. If you only have 1 car, that's really an advantage for you because you can convert the extra space here as a storage or maybe a space for your utilities. So we're done with the external tour of the property. Let's begin. Let's go inside of the house. Tara po, pasok kayo sa future home nyo. As we enter the house, we'll be greeted by our living area with your double height ceiling of almost 4.5 meters. Sobrang taas ng ceiling niya. And ang ganda ng design ng ceiling natin. It makes it very modern and napakaganda po niya. And not only that, meron din po tayong fluted panels na nakadesign dito sa unahan natin with your design for your TV wall. And also, meron tayong floating cabinets. And not to mention, yung mga bintana natin dito sa babahay na to, lahat po yan is tinted. So, kung makikita, and also one-way mirror siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi po kayo makikita ng taong nasa labas, kayo lang po yung makakita sa kanya. So, this living area is just a good size. Tamang-tama lang po siya. And right beside it is your dining area. Your dining area can easily fit your 4 to 6-seater dining table. And ang maganda dito, it feels very airy kasi from the living to the dining area, it's double height ceiling. So, sobrang aliwala, sobrang airy niya. Now, right across or right beside our dining area will be our kitchen. Ang countertop po natin is granite countertop. You have your modular cabinets here on top na glossy. Sobrang ganda na design. And dito din po sa ating kitchen will be, you have your WPC na ceiling. Meron tayong track lights here. You have your 3 chandelier lights na maliliit dyan na accent lights. Sobrang ganda po niya. And dito rin po sa ating kitchen is our access to our service area which can act as your dining or, it can be your dirty kitchen and also dito na rin po tayo pwede mag-laundry. But still, even though bungalow po to, it's still very spacious. Sobrang lawag niya. You can add your cabinets here on top. Meron na pwede kayong magdagdag dito ng konting tables and chairs para po kung meron kayong house help, dito na rin sila kumain. Now, let's proceed to check out the first bedroom of the house. So babalik lang tayo dito sa unahan. As we enter the house, Greeted by living area. Ngayon, pupunta na tayo dito sa first bedroom. This is actually the second to the biggest bedroom in the house. It's a good size. Kasya po ang ating semi-double or double bed. And pwede pa kayo maglagay ng cabinet. This is actually, again, tinted po yung mga bintana na yan. Hindi po kayo kita sa labas. Ang makakita lang, kayo lang po yung nakakita sa kanila sa labas. You have your center light. You have your LED lights. And then may pagka-cove yung ano niya, yung ceiling natin. Or parang naka-niche yung design niya. And then meron na rin tayong floating cabinets. Now, right beside the first bedroom of the house will be yung common toilet and bath to be shared by the two bedrooms. So this is, meron na tayong toilet, meron na tayong shower, meron na tayong sink, and kung makikita nyo, meron na rin tayong exhaust and LED walls. Actually, ang laki rin ng bintana dito, baka hindi nyo na kailangan gamitin yung exhaust natin. Now, ito naman po, let me show you the second bedroom dito sa bahay. So this is the second bedroom. Malawag din po siya, kasya ang ating cabinet and also a semi-double or double bed. And you have one window, yun lang yung difference. Yung sa una pong bedroom, dalawa po yung windows natin. Dito, isa lang kasi nga, it's on the side. Now, what I'm really excited to show you is the master's bedroom with its own walk-in closet and own ensuite toilet and bath. This is napakasulit na po. If you have been looking for a bungalow house and lot, and ayaw mong umakyat-akyat sa stairs, tapos gusto mo nandito lang sa baba yung inyong master's bedroom, perfect na perfect po sa inyo. Since meron tayong walk-in closet, kasyang-kasya po dito yung king size or queen size bed natin. You can still put siguro 2 small side tables on the side. And then meron tayong footed panels. You also have your accent design behind your TV. You have your floating cabinets. You have your drop and cove ceiling. So napakaganda. And then may accent din po siya ng WPC. Center lights, LED. Ang dami po. Sobrang ganda nito. Again, if you like this house, I suggest that you look at it or visit it immediately kasi this might go away kagad. And ito na rin po ang ating walk-in closet. You have a lot of storage spaces to store your clothes. Meron din po tayong hanger or hanger area for your clothes na pwedeng kailangan nyo i-hang. Then meron tayong drawer sa baba. You also have this, meron tayong makeshift na makeup area for the ladies. Pwede or fix-up area. And meron na rin tayong toilet and bath for the masters with your own smart toilet. So pagkalapit nyo, aangat siya kagad, kitang-kita naman. Dito po meron tayong mirror, meron tayong smart mirror, may ilaw po siya. Okay? So different tricolor, you have your sink with your granite countertop and cabinet down below. And you also have your shower here and exhaust. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. Kindly comment down below what you like about this property. If you would like to know more about this property or go on a site visit, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Nandyan din po yan sa ating comment section. You can also go on our social media accounts. We have our Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you're still looking around and you're not yet ready to purchase a property, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description and in the comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!